Hello folks, hope you're having a great day. Some of you may be able to recognize these leaves, and you can see what I did. These are just clippings. These are just little twigs actually from a mulberry tree. My neighbor has a strong producer mulberry tree. I'm not sure what the cultivar name is, but it produces well. All I did was I took one branch and chopped it up to a bunch of little twigs, dipped them in some rooting powder, and then placed them in these little pots and kept the soil somewhat moist. And these are the ones that made it out of, like, let's say 20. So I mean, we have a pretty good return ratio. This is more than I've ever seen. I used to do this with no rooting powder, and I would get a 1 in 6 return ratio. But all of those original ones died because they could not handle the scorching sun. So I've learned from that mistake of putting them out in the hot sun, and I think I'm gonna propagate these and grow them in the understory this time, as I believe they may do better. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated and posted on the progress of these guys right here, these mulberries. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.